Hi, I'm Ian from IBE Joinery. I've got my own business, been in the trade for 20 odd years now. I've been testing the new FEIN Cordless MultiTalent. What I've liked about this multi-tool is the quick release of the blade. Basically just clip it back like that and it's taken out very quickly. Better than using Allen keys and messing about with the other types I've tried. And to click it back in, that just pushes in there, line it up with the blade and click it back down. Batteries disconnect very easily and then they charge up in about 40 minutes and they last a lot longer than other brands I've tried as well. Battery's been very good on it since we've been using it. It's a 2.5 amp hour battery, which gives us plenty of working time with it. Doesn't lose any power. Basically when it's about to run out, it just stops. Yeah, it's quite surprising how much power out of the 12 volt battery. It feels more like an 18 volt battery. It's a well balanced tool and it's a lot less noise than the other models and less vibration as well. Yeah, the variable speed on the FEIN is handy to have. But depending on what cut you're doing and what blade you've got in there, it reduces dust and makes a better cut on a lower setting sometimes, depending on what you're cutting.